General Minister of Justice has been ordered, or rather has the High Court, I beg your pardon, has ordered the Attorney General to justify the continued detention of Alhaji Abagre as his lawyers challenge what they describe as an unlawful custody linked to a protracted Boko chieftaincy dispute. The AG is to submit the report on or before January 12, 2026. There's more in this report.
The order was made during proceedings on a habeas corpus application filed on behalf of Alhaji Abagre, who has been in state custody since December 24, 2025. The court directed the Attorney General to file a written report explaining the legal basis for Abagre's detention on or before January 21, with the case adjourned to January 26 for further hearing. Abagre has been a central figure in the Boko chieftaincy conflict, having laid claim to the title of Boko Naba. That claim was, however, rejected in a mediation report led by the Asantehene Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, which affirmed Naba Asigri Abugragu Azoka II as a legitimate Boko Naba. Following the mediation outcome, Abagre was directed to either leave Boko for reassignment by the Nairi of Mamprugu or to remain in the town strictly as a private citizen. Despite this, he was later arrested by the Ghana Armed Forces and handed over to the National Investigations Bureau, where he has remained in custody. His lawyers argue that the detention violates his constitutional rights, insisting he was held without due process and without being given a hearing before a detention order was obtained. The court noted that under the Habeas Corpus Act, he has the power to demand a written account of the grounds for detention and said the issue of producing Abagre in court would be considered after the Attorney General's report is filed.
Let's be patient. Between today and 26th, it's not much time. Okay, so I ask for calm. That's very, very important. Let's have peace. Let's have some calm. No matter what, 26th will come. Then we'll get to the bottom of this matter.
Alhaji Seidu is in good spirit. I spent a greater part of yesterday's afternoon with him. He's very sharp in his recollection. We had conversation about his lawyer as well.
In a separate case, the High Court in Accra has heard that the first prosecution witness in the trial of Ashanti Regional NPP Chairman, Bernard Mchibu-Siakon, also known as Chairman Wuntumi, has no documentary evidence to support claims that the Samraboy mining concession was assigned to Henry Okum. Michael Jedu Eyisi made the admission under cross-examination, telling the court that his belief was based solely on what Okum told him and not on any document he had seen. Chairman Wuntumi has pleaded not guilty to charges of permitting mining operations without the required authorization.